Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we will revise our lessons for upcoming periodic test, inshallah. Alaikum assalam. Hatem. Hello.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. خواتي سريان تركي بندر.
Hello Turki Bandar, how are you?
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Thank you. حاتم.
Hello Hatem.
أستاذ
Yes.
بعد الحصة هيكون اختبار.
Inshallah. لا ما في اختبار حقي أنا.
Hello teacher, my name is Abdulrahman اختبار عربي.
Hello. أيوه ممكن أنت شوف جدول.
اسم خالد. My teacher page
Hello.
what?
Who is this page?
Hello teacher, my name is
Hello, how are you?
I am fine too, thank you.
That's good.
أستاذ إيش اليوم راح ناخذ بالكتاب؟
Please wait, after a while we will start, huh?
السلام عليكم، أنا سعيد سيف القحطان. أستاذ اليوم نراجع على الاختبار اللي راح يجينا ولا لا؟
Sorry, again?
اليوم نراجع الاختبار اللي راح يجينا.
أيوة. اليوم في مراجع.
اوكي. هذا نعم سليمان خديجة.
So here we have okay. So here we have, what do plants need to grow? I will call Aus. Open your mic and tell me. What do plants need to grow? Or needs of a plant to make food? Can you hear me, Aus? Faisal. Faisal, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. What are the needs of a plant?
Water, air,
Very nice.
sunlight,
Okay.
space to grow.
Excellent. Okay. Next. I will call Battal Hatim Al Qurashi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Needs of a plant.
Air, sunlight, and water.
Only
Soil.
soil or space to grow. They need space to grow. Okay. Then I will call. Yes. Thank you, Ammar. Turki Abdullah. Turki Abdullah. Turki Abdullah, can you hear me? Turki Bandar.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What are the needs of a plant to grow well?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, and
sunlight,
okay,
seeds,
seeds is not a need. We are talking about needs of a plant.
water,
Water, okay.
air, and sunlight.
That's nice. Okay, and they need space to grow. Okay, so we will look here. You can see things plants need. Okay, now I will call Azam knife. Azam knife. Hussam Zahrani.
نعم.
Yes, please read. Things plants need. Now it's in front of you.
Light,
Okay.
water,
Hmm.
air,
Okay.
water,
Nutrients.
ocean,
Hmm.
speak,
Space.
speak to grow.
Space to grow. Very good. Okay, thank you, Hussam. So there are 5 needs you can say for a plant to grow well or healthy. Those are light, water, nutrients, space to grow, and air. Okay. A plant takes nutrient from where? If it needs nutrients, this part, from where the plant will take nutrients? Tell me. Anyone? Hmm. Nutrients.
Sorry.
Yes, I want to ask that nutrients, they need nutrients, huh? Plants
Stem,
need
stem.
nutrients.
Yes.
From where they will take? From where?
Stem, my teacher.
Stem is a plant, is a part of plant. But from where it will come in the plant? From where it will enter in the plant? Huh?
Leaf.
Leaf is a part of plant, na?
From the roots.
No. They will take the nutrients from the soil. From soil. Yes, from soil they take nutrients. From air they take which gas? Which gas? Carbon dioxide.
أنا موجود أنا عزام بس كان الميكروفون قفل.
طيب, Azam, tell me which gas plants take from the air?
Air.
أيوة. من air, which gas they take? Plants take from the air. We take oxygen, sir. What does a plant take?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, Salam. Who is this? Carbon dioxide. Very good. Thank you so much. And light energy they take from, mostly they take from
Sun.
yes, sunlight. Thank you so much. Excellent, Yamin. Thank you so much. Hello, Abdurrahman Hatib al Nasiri. So they
قفل علي النت.
oh, okay. Okay. When they take everything, يعني هم ياخذ كل شيء, they take everything, sunlight, water, and minerals, nutrients, everything. Then they start photosynthesis. photosynthesis.
التركيب
اسمع.
الضوئي التركيب الضوئي التركيب
Okay,
الضوئي
in English, if you can, what will they do in this process?
التركيب الضوئي
Okay, but you are saying in Arabic.
light light
Okay, light energy
or
they use, they take it.
sunlight or
After
sunlight.
taking everything, after collecting all the facilities, all the resources, then they start photosynthesis. They take light, they take nutrients, they take everything. Okay, خلاص. Then they start photosynthesis. What they do in this process? يعني ايش الفائدة حق الفوتوسينثيسيس؟ ايش يسوي plants? What they do? Huh? They do what in this process?
Use light energy.
They use light energy in photosynthesis, yes. But what do you mean? It's mean they make their food. They make their food with photosynthesis. This is the process. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis. حتى هذا مكتوب. It's written. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis. You should answer in your, you should memorize the homework. You should read it. انت ما يقرا ما في فايده يا اخي. So plants make their own food by photosynthesis. This process is a chemical reaction that uses light energy. In this process, they use light energy, and this process is a chemical reaction. Okay, it's a chemical reaction, not a physical reaction or a physical change. It's a chemical change and chemical reaction. Okay, they use light energy. As we discussed, light energy comes from the sun most of the time, most of the quantity. The word photosynthesis comes from Greek language, yani lisan hagal Greek language. What do you mean by photo? Photo means light. Photo means, open your mic. Photo means
Light. Light.
yes, photo means light.
Light.
Okay.
Light. Light sound.
And synthesis means what?
Light.
Synthesis means putting together. Putting together. Putting together. Okay. Now I will clear you. Just a moment. Look, a plant collects light from sun, water from air, or you gave it, or from the rain. Space to grow, you already provided it. They take the air, carbon dioxide from air. They take nutrients from the soil. Okay, هذا كله هو ياخذ مثلا 5 أغراض. Okay, then what they do, they will move or shift to start photosynthesis. They collect everything. So that's why synthesis means what? What's happening? Okay. So here photo means light. Photo doesn't mean the picture you have. Photo means light because this is Greek language, not English language basically. And synthesis means putting together. Putting together. Putting together means hattu wahid makan. Maslan, there are light, there is light. Okay, there is space to grow, nutrients, everything. They collect everything and put them together. Then they use sunlight or light energy. Then they make food in their which part? In which part?
Leaf.
In the leaves, they make their own food. That's why we call them producers. Humans and everyone others are consumers because we depend on other things. Like if we want to eat bread, it's far we cannot make it like inside our body. Like plants, they can make inside their body, which is called sugar, and they need sugar. Abdurrahman Muhammad wa Faisal, don't write in the chat box, please. Okay. Photosynthesis just means putting together with light. What do green plants together put together to make their food? They put together air, water, sunlight, and nutrients. Then they take sunlight and put them together to make their food. The food of the plants is called sugar. They just make sugar for them. Okay, it's a release of sugar through their bodies or whatever. Okay, here you can see there are some images around a plant. What is going to happen? You will identify the needs of a plant. Okay, the needs of
Air,
a plant only.
air,
Faisal, I
water.
didn't call you, ya Habibi. If you answered, other one will know. Okay. Okay, now I will call Huzaifa.
ايوه. Sun,
Yes, this one is a need or not?
water. Sun.
Is a need of water. Okay, it's a need of plant. That's right.
Sun and water and air.
Yes, dagiga, one by one. Okay, I will call Ammar Salman.
Yes.
Yes, is the
Yes,
donut
teacher.
is the donut?
No. No.
No. Okay, I will call Aus Ahmed Al Malki if you answer. If you are listening me, open your mic. Battal Mansoor. Battal Mansoor.
نعم يا أستاذ.
Aywa, tell me this air, it's a need or not for a plant? Air yani hawa. Plant lazim yibqa wala la? Tell me ya Battal Mansoor quickly, ما في وقت يا حبيبي. Air, they plants need it or not?
No. Yes.
Yes, thank you. Hayaf and Basil, open your mics.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, juice. The plant need juice.
No. No.
What about soil with nutrients?
Yes.
Soil. Yes,
Yes.
yes, very good. As we discussed, water is the most important sunlight. Aywa, thank you. Yes, Abdullah Hatim al Nasri, Abdul Rahman.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what about water?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Saeed Saif, open your mic. Saeed Saif, افتح المايك.
نعم يا أستاذ.
Aywa, this egg is important for plant or not?
Yes.
يعني plant يعني نباتات هو يبغى base ها؟
Sun. Water.
Can you hear me يا سيد سيف؟
ها يا أستاذ.
أنا كلام إيش يا سيد؟ أنا كلام هذا النباتات يعني plant صح؟ هو لازم يبغى base egg؟
No.
ليش كلام يس؟
لأن يا أستاذ الصوت عندي ضعيف.
افهم أول، عندي ما شاء الله كويس، صوتك كويس ما شاء الله واضح. يلا أوكي نو بروبلم. سعود الشلوي.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
just a movement, please. Okay, tell me, Saud, plant, eba water wala la?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So here we have plants parts and plants needs. Parts of a plant and needs of a plant. Okay, so here you can see sunlight, seeds, sunlight, leaves, water, fruit, flower, air, soil, stem, root.
أستاذ قد حليت. أستاذ.
These are
أنا أرسلت لك يا أستاذ.
I will send. Okay, today we have revision. I
Yes,
told
ask
you
me.
today we
I
have revision. So we are revising all of it. Okay, if there is any confusion, you can ask me. If you are going to do it, of course. If you do it again and again and again, you will not forget. But if you don't do, you will forget, of course. Okay. Okay. So first of all, there is a seed. Seeds. Okay. Who will answer? Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. Okay. I think he can't hear me. Safwan, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me seeds. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता रंग छोड़ रही है ना.
Plant parts.
Sorry.
Plant parts.
Yes, plant parts and plant needs. We have two, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, just a moment. This one, seeds.
Seeds.
Huh.
Plant
It's a plant
parts.
part or a need?
Plant parts.
Parts. Very good. Okay. Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, sunlight. It's a part or a need?
Need.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Yamin. Soil. It's
Yes.
a part of a need or a need?
Need.
Need. Very nice. Okay. Asil Al Maliki, are you there? असील अल मालिकी اليوم ما في موجود. اوكي. راشد. Rashid, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
teacher.
water.
Yes,
It's a
yes.
need or a part? Water.
What? Need.
Need. Very nice. Thank you. Ammar Salman.
Welcome. Yes, teacher.
Yes, fruit. Part or need?
Need.
Fruit is a need. MashaAllah. Yani huwa है वो आकिर फवाकर. Ammar
No,
Salman,
but-
rakis. That's why I am revising with you today. Tamir, open your mic. And Faisal.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, stem, part or a need?
Yes, stem. Stem is a part.
Part, very good. Okay, Faisal. Air, it's a
Yes.
part or a need?
It's need.
Air is a need, very good. Okay. So I will send this in your group now. Okay. Faham?
Okay.
Okay, boys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Okay. You're
If you
welcome,
have any
teacher.
questions,
Goodbye.
we have
Goodbye.
okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.